A Xenarthra is a group of mammals that originated in South America about 60 million years ago. This includes the anteater, armadillo, and sloth lineage. Their most common habitat is in Latin America, where they reside in rainforests. They used to populate all of the Americas. The Xenarthra name comes from two ancient Greek words that mean strange joints. This makes sense since the animals have extra joints in their lower back that are designed to help them look for food. Their diet consists of insects such as ants and termites, but they might eat plants and smaller animals that they're able to find in the forest.